god, this is ridiculous. You know what, guys? I freaking feel like one of those old Asian guys and just basically kneeling on the sidewalk and doing labor work, cleaning some crap. Oh, yeah, YouTube. Forgot about you guys. What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic, and I hope you're going to enjoy this freaking cleaning tutorial. Put the dirty freaking Kanye West's collusion. Kanye West's collection, suede seasons, you know, I don't even know. This is season 2. My client gave this to me. And what we gotta do is clean the shoe. So the entire upper is real suede. Very nice suede. We're not gonna focus on the bottoms because this is actually kind of gross. Put this over here. Stiffy brush from Rejuvenate. Ugh. Medium brush, and of course, comes in handy. You might need to have a suede cleaning kit. In this case, the Crepe Protect Eraser, the ultimate scuff eraser for suede and nubuck. I'm gonna start removing his Goldilocks. Grab the cloth. All right, let's stuff the toe area, just to give this shoe some kind of shape. Yeah, it's good enough. Grab your dry brush, the medium brush from Rejuvenate, and start dry brushing the entire suede upper. This is gonna hopefully remove some of the surface dirt. Remember, suede, when it gets dirty, most of the time, the dirt's actually sitting on the nap. So by dry brushing, you can actually make the nap softer and actually get rid of some of the dirt. So let's go ahead and do the entire freaking military boot and take a look afterwards to see if we really need to use the suede eraser. Ooh, Asian hair, Asian hair, Asian hair alert. Hey, what do I do with this? I got Asian hair. Put it back in the shoe. Okay. Okay, you guys are quite disgusting, to be honest with you. YouTube, do not do what I just did. I'm gonna have to remember to get rid of this dirty Asian hair off camera. Oh my god, who hired you? I did? Oh. Do not be afraid. Make sure to dry brush Kanye West's butt. It's okay. Kanye West apparently has a little hook for your finger. Oh, that sounds really, really inappropriate. Just try to get into that little hole. Oh my god. Keep going. Don't stop. My elbow's hurting. Did we figure it out yet, guys? Man, I got new clothes. Did a little research. Crepe sole is a natural latex kind of a rubber material. It comes from trees. It is porous. It's very wrinkly. It is a pain in the butt to clean. It attracts dirt and it becomes sticky. The more you wear it, actually it just breaks down. Honestly, this material is not just any kind of sneaker rubber that Alright. Oh, it's actually kind of nice. Put some Rejuvenator solution into this. I'm going to put a little bit more. Got my stiffy brush, and they actually, Google, they recommend using warm water and then use some kind of safe detergent soap. Thank God I got an apron, guys. Okay, let's do this side. Yeah, sanding Yeezy's freaking foot. Okay, let me just dry this up a bit. Oh, wow, that is sticky. Okay, that's not cool. Okay. It's getting a little bit cleaner. Look at the front. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this entire midsole. How about let's just not do this tutorial? Guys, time out. I give up. This is not, no, I don't want to do this anymore. You know what? IQUIT. Oh, man. Yeah, cleaning crepe. Guys, that's not funny. I just got the shoelaces dirty even more. Crepe rubber. Pros. Affordability. Crepe rubber has a relatively low production cost, which in turn can lower the cost of products that use the material. Kanye West. I wonder if this is indeed 100% natural crepe rubber. I can see why you like to use this particular material for the soles, because it saves you money. Alright, cons. Cleaning. Crepe rubber soles can become dirty very easily due to their abrasive nature. And once they've been marked, it can be extremely difficult to restore the rubber back to its original color. You may be able to remove some surface marks, but the sticky crepe retains dirt, making discoloration nearly impossible to reverse. The suede, it's looking good. It's looking soft. Feeling soft. I'm gonna apply some kind of nice, sexy suede rejuvenating product. And let's just call this done. This is wasting my time. I'm sorry, YouTube. I am never cleaning crepe soles again. I'm gonna make a new policy. Bing! No crepe soles allowed. And more specifically, no Yeezy Crepe soles allowed. I am not going to clean it. Oh, Kanye wishes he has more hair. Do we really need to clean the midsoles? Yeah, oh man, right. Let's continue cleaning the midsoles. This crepe midsole, whatever. What? What was the joke? Are you serious? You're telling me that this entire time we were filming, I only needed to clean the uppers and the shoelace? That's it? I didn't even need to clean the midsole? Oh man, I am so angry. I'm going to just rip this baseboard off. And do... Oh my god, you're pissing me off, guys. No, this is a baseboard. It's made out of wood. It's not styrofoam. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area. Good enough. I have something called Renovator. Sheepskin, suede, nubuck, and microfiber. No color. This is neutral. Waterproofing and also coloring powder. Wow. It's supposed to revive the suede. Woo! And of course protect it against moisture. This is cool. By the way, if you don't have this product, it's all good. Just grab something similar like a suede Renew, whatever. Now, keep it far away from your face. Oh, don't do that. Read the instructions, your product, whatever product you're using. After I'm done evenly spraying this on the suede, I'm gonna let it dry and then dry brush it again to bring the sexy nap back. This is so easy. Look at this. Actually, this room is starting to stink. Oh, this is a no-no. Oh, guys, help me. Why are you guys just running away? You are fired. Oh, I need to grab this real baseboard wood and just beat you up with it. You get... Oh, I can't breathe. This chemical stuff is too